You're listening to the Culips English Podcast. To download the study guide for this episode, which includes the transcript, detailed vocabulary explanations, real-world examples, and a quiz, visit our website, culips.com. CULIPS.com. Hey everybody, my name is Andrew.
And my name is Morag.
And you're listening to Culips. Hey there, Morag.
Hey, Andrew. How's it going?
I'm doing pretty well. How about yourself?
I'm all right. Getting ready for my day at work. But to be honest, I am most looking forward to coming home and playing some video games.
Morag, just before we started recording, you told me that you recently acquired a Nintendo Switch.
Yes, this is what I am waiting to play. Yeah.
The new handheld console by Nintendo. What game are you looking forward to playing?
I'm currently playing Zelda Breath of the Wild. It is a giant, beautiful game. It's just amazing. Yeah. Although I might end up getting some other game midway through because I've discovered how easy it is to just order things off Amazon. Like the whole Switch and everything came from online, and then if you want something, it can show up at your house in a day. It's dangerous.
Yeah, online shopping is very dangerous. I agree with you there. And Morag, actually, this is the topic for today's Simplified Speech episode. We're going to talk all about online shopping and how we shop online. So everyone, if you don't know what Simplified Speech is, it's our series where we let you listen in to completely natural English conversations, but we speak a little bit slower than we do in our everyday lives. So, Morag, let's get started. Let's talk about online shopping. So, you said just a moment ago that you bought your Switch online.
Yes.
Are you a frequent online shopper?
I am a frequent online shopper. I buy a lot of things online. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it's very convenient.
Yeah, very, very convenient. And what site do you use? What are some of the good online stores in Canada, some of the big ones?
The main thing that I use is Amazon, Canadian Amazon.
Amazon.ca.
Amazon.ca, because if you're in Canada, using Amazon.com is not really an option. Once it just ends up costing more money. Although everything on Amazon.ca already costs more money. It's not cheap to be Canadian.
Yeah, unfortunately, when Canadians order something online that is shipped from the USA, we often have to pay import duty tax on that item and extra shipping costs as well. So it ends up being really expensive.
And the base Canadian price is sometimes double or triple the American price.
It's true. And also the currency conversion too. So there are many.
All three.
It's just the perfect storm of expensive products when you order from the States. But yeah, I think Amazon.ca is probably the most popular place to shop online when you're in Canada.
I would definitely say so, Andrew. Although there's a sort of semi-online shopping that I was wondering if you do. It's not getting things sent to you directly, but you can purchase things online to pick them up.
Ah.
I know that a lot of stores in Canada do this. So if you needed a new vacuum or something from Canadian Tire or that kind of thing, you can usually buy and pick it up in the store. I never do this. Would you consider it online shopping?
Yeah, it's online shopping, sure. You're just not getting it shipped to your door, but you're picking it up at the store. I actually did this last summer. I bought a new camera, and the reason that I got it shipped to the store was I was only in Canada for my vacation time. So by the time the camera would have shipped to my house or my parents' house, I would have left Canada at that point. So the actual camera was in a different store location in a different city, but they were able to ship it to the store in my hometown within a day, and then I went to the store to pick the camera up. So I was able to get the camera in one day, whereas if I had it shipped, it probably would have taken a couple days, and it would have been too long. I would have missed the boat on the camera. So sometimes I think this can be useful. Also, you don't have to talk to annoying salespeople.
Yeah, you already purchased your item or items.
Yeah,
Yes.
right. Give me what I ordered and let me go, please.
Yeah.
You don't get upsold, right?
Yep.
Okay, Morag, I have a question for you. Is there something you wouldn't buy online? Something that you think is a bad idea to buy online?
Personally, as I know a lot of people do this, I do not buy clothing online unless I already own that exact piece of clothing from that exact manufacturer in that exact size. Because I don't know about anybody else, but I do not trust manufacturing or fit of things. Actually, this year, Wish came out of nowhere, which is sort of an online marketplace that is sweeping every, at least the United States and North America. And you can buy tons and tons of things, so much clothing for like $1, $2, $5, but you never know what it's actually going to look like or be when you get it.
Wait. This is new to me. I don't know about Wish. So you're saying Wish is an online store where you buy clothes without knowing what they are? It's just random clothes?
No, it's Wish is an online marketplace, so you don't buy directly from them. You buy from sellers that go on their website, and it's almost entirely items from China. A lot of them are marketed as name brand, but they're knockoffs. And then a lot of times with clothing, you'll end up getting something that vaguely resembles the image that was there. So I guess that's another type of online shopping I would not do. Although I do know many people who want a bargain, so they'll buy anything for $1 or $2, hoping that it's awesome. But no, I buy books and games and household goods mostly.
Yeah, me as well. occasionally I will roll the dice and buy clothes online, but like you, it's usually from a trusted brand, somebody that I'm familiar with the sizing. Or occasionally if there's a big sale, like some stores will have 90% blowout sale online. And then I think, wow, it's 90% off. So
Worth a try.
who cares? It's so cheap. I'll go for it. So I've done that before. You know, these days, more and more people are ordering their groceries online and getting them delivered to their house. And I haven't tried this yet, but I'm very, very curious about it.
It seems like a great and easy way to do meal planning and not get sidetracked or taken in by snacks.
Yeah.
Here in Montreal, I use a website called Loofah Farms. And so I get a delivery of organic, locally grown vegetables that I choose, and other things if you want to. That's the only way I've done the groceries online, not full groceries. How about you?
I actually used the same farm service when I lived in Montreal, and it was great because I got it delivered to, what's the name of that restaurant?
Was it Le Pickup?
Yeah, Le Pickup. There you go.
Okay.
Depanneur Le Pickup. Yeah. So I have ordered vegetables from that same farm online. So I guess this is shopping for groceries online. I guess I have done it now. I just realized. Morag, have you seen the Domino's pizza website for ordering a pizza online?
No.
It's pretty cool. They have a pizza tracker. So if you order a pizza through Domino's, as soon as the order is placed, there's an animation that pops up on your screen and it will tell you like, Joe is making your pizza. And then 2 minutes later, Joe has popped your pizza into the oven. And then like 10 minutes later, your pizza has just been boxed. And
wow.
15 minutes later, your pizza is on its way to your house. So it gives you a step-by-step of the pizza manufacturing process.
The future. We have arrived.
Yeah, you can time it perfectly. You know exactly when it's going to arrive at your door. So
that's amazing.
Online pizza shopping is quite fun. Yeah. Okay, Morag, as fun as it is to talk about online shopping, I think that's all that we have time for today. The study guide for this episode is available on our website, culips.com. Unfortunately, it's not free, but it is very affordable. And if we've got you in the mood to do some online shopping, hey, study materials are a great thing to purchase online, and you can do that on our website, culips.com. If you have any questions or comments or even a suggestion for a future episode, please drop us a line. Our email address is contact@culips.com. And we are always very happy to receive emails from everyone. So please don't be shy and get in touch with us. Okay, that's it for now. Talk to you next time, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.
Do you like listening to Culips? If so, please show your support by leaving Culips a 5-star rating and a review on iTunes or Stitcher. This helps new listeners find the show. So don't delay. Rate and review today.